Samsung's most recent clamshell foldable effort is the Galaxy Z Flip 5. As opposed to earlier versions, the Galaxy Z Flip may shut flush this time, eliminating the gap. Along with other improvements, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 boasts a far more potent CPU than previous generations. In addition to the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Tab S9, and Galaxy Watch 6 series, Samsung has now shown its 5th-generation clamshell foldable. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is described by Samsung as having dimensions of 165.1 by 71.9 mm or 85.1 mm by 71.9 mm when it is closed. Its claimed weight of 187 grams and 6.9 mm thickness are thus retained, making it nearly the same size as its predecessor. However, Samsung's updated hinge system enables the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to shut flush, resulting in a reduction in thickness from 15.9 to 15.1 mm when closed. Additionally, Samsung has switched to a 3.4-inch cover display with a resolution of 720 by 748 pixels and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Comparatively, the device's foldable display is still a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display that outputs at 2640 by 1080 pixels with a variable refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. The Galaxy Z Flip from this year keeps its 10-megapixel selfie, 12-megapixels main, and 12-megapixels ultra-wide-angle cameras. Additionally, the 3700 mAh battery capacity and 25W max wired charging speed are unaltered. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 only has IPX8 certification, 8GB of RAM, and either 256GB or 512GB of storage. It also includes a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset. The standard color choices for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 are cream, graphite, lavender, and mint. However, Samsung retains the colors blue, green, gray, and yellow as possibilities available only online. As usual, Samsung guarantees 5 years of security updates and 4 significant Android upgrades. With 256GB of storage, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 begins at €1,199 and goes up to €1,319 in the Eurozone. In light of this, Samsung is launching a number of incentives, including price cuts on other items and free storage upgrades. To learn more, visit the Samsung website. Do you believe that the Galaxy Z Flip 5's ability to shut flush will increase customer interest in it? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.